and I taking a ride over here. It's Thursday, but this weekend is youth weekend in New York, and taking Ashton out again, and probably going to check out this spot that I picked up last year. And I asked, oh, there's another raccoon.
Wow, they're active.
Jeez.
Jump, jump.
It's still fairly early, and we've seen 2 raccoons in the last 10 minutes. But there is tons of corn and a whole bunch of soybeans up here on the side that I normally hunt on. It's all soybeans this year. It was corn last year, but it's got a bunch of different sections of soybean and then green kind of in the middle of them. Just a beautiful, beautiful property. So we're hopeful. We're gonna probably spend some time here. I guess a girl shot a nice 8-pointer in this area. And she's going to be back last youth weekend, and she's back for this year. So he told me that she is normally on a different part of the property, so we'll just go on the other side. So hopefully we don't screw anybody else up, and we certainly don't want to get screwed up either. But really nice to see that there's a bunch of soybeans. I don't really ever hunt soybeans, so I'm not sure if they're all brown and still standing. However, he told me he was going to try to cut them this week. So if he cuts them tomorrow, I guess, Friday before the weekend, I don't know if it's still good or how that works. So we'll have to find that out. But it's still a beautiful spot no matter what, where the deer should be crossing through from bed to food. No matter where they're going, it's kind of in the middle. So we will see what happens, and hopefully we get on some deer. But we're going to take another quick ride over to another spot where he shot his buck with me last year, just so we have a couple different options just in case. And we got some bad weather coming, just like we did last year, and he ended up shooting his buck in an absolute monsoon downpour. So hopefully, if the weather's like that again, we know where we can go sit and still see some good movement. So hopefully it's the same as last year. But we'll certainly be updating you as the weekend progresses. But we got some good options, so I'm excited.
Oh, they all look nice and healthy.
Got one. Squirrel saw me when I grunted. It was on the log.
And it tried to jump onto that tree and it completely missed, and it flung itself and it ended up upside down, flying backwards like this. It landed probably on its back. He overshot that one for sure. Got set up for the afternoon. We're tucked into some soybeans. Looking at the spot that we saw this morning. And it's pretty windy, as you can tell. But we got about 2.5, 3 hours before dark. We got in here real early. We're overlooking this spot where there's a bunch of soybeans and a bunch of clover here. So I'll show you kind of what we got going on here. We're in soybeans. This is all clover. And then that's all soybeans. And then past the hedgerow is all soybeans too. And there's a lot of deer tracks in all these soybeans. So we're hopeful that something comes out before dark and we can get some video of it and Ashton can get a good shot on it. So you shooting the doe? Alright, it's on video. This morning I saw 2 deer. Ashton saw no deer, but he had 7 Slim Jims and 14 Hershey bars. So hopefully we reverse that. Hopefully you see deer this afternoon and I eat a bunch of Slim Jims and chocolate.
We ended up seeing 2 deer at last light, but they never presented any shots. The next day, the weather report was accurate for once, and it was absolutely downpouring, so we brought the pop-up ground blind and figured we'd sit in the spot because we had a lot of confidence with all that food around.
Get ready when it goes to that opening to the right. Yeah. Okay, Ashton. Yeah, just hang on. Just wait, it's gonna come over. It's gonna come over. Just wait. Get resting. Get back. Get ready. Just wait. Just wait. Yeah. Just calm down. Just wait. Here it goes. Here we go. Take your time. Can you see it? Get ready, stop. Where is he? He's coming in the opening right now. Over to this field? To the right. Straight out of us. Right now. He's got some nice antlers. He's coming. Some more steps. Don't let him see you, Ashton. Okay, yeah. I see him. Okay, here we go, right there, Ashton. He's down. Oh, right there. Alright. That was a different one. I was watching a different one, but I couldn't
see it going over.
Alright.
What's that one? What's a doe? Just wait here, just wait.
Yeah, yeah.
Holy shit, that was exciting.
Did he go down?
Sorry, I'm swearing. Oh, jeez. Yeah, he didn't even go nowhere. I had the binoculars out the whole time.
I was watching a different deer.
It's gotta be right there, Ashton.
Alright, well just pay attention. Yeah, get another one in there just in case.
I think I did, but I'm gonna make it sure.
I could not get this to focus to save my life.
As you can tell, I was struggling with the main camera, and unfortunately it went out of focus right when he was about to shoot. I'm glad that I had my action cam rolling because I at least caught the shot on camera and all the exciting moments following.
Were you watching a buck?
No,
He hung straight up and I never see it took off.
a deer ran to the left.
What's that?
A deer ran to the left.
I didn't see him go nowhere. My rest was a good to sink it when I pressed it down. I didn't see him go nowhere. I watched him come right up and that was it.
The deer I was watching took off like a bat out of hell to the left.
I think
I
the
don't
deer
see it
you
land there.
Yeah, but it's high. You can actually could be laying there.
I
Yeah,
think we should go. I mean, if he's there, he's done. 'Cause
My rest was a good watch. I
just-
said Killer hold it because look at when I kept on trying to rest it. This thing kept
I'd
on
be surprised
going
if it's,
down.
put your safety on. I'd be surprised if it's gone anywhere. If so, it's.
But it looked like
See
a
it all.
three-pointer.
I don't know why I don't see it.
It looked like a three-pointer.
just give it a couple minutes just in case. We'll just go over here. Just try to be quiet. Go quiet. Take your time. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey.
At this point, I spotted the deer, but they hadn't seen it yet. So I was trying to stop them so they didn't jump it up. I wasn't sure if he was dead or not.
Ashton, get in front of him.
Deer right there. There's your deer. There's your deer, man. There's your buck. Laying right there dead. Awesome job, buddy. Awesome job.
Make sure he's dead.
Have you done already?
That ain't a three-pointer.
He does this all the time. That's what he does in camp. A three-pointer. Freaking fucking shot. Freaking excited. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, man. Thank you. 7-pointer. Oh, hold on. Yep.
He's a beaut.
Oh, I'm so excited. So excited.
What a dandy.
I only saw this one.
Come here, look at me. What? Awesome. Yeah. I just want to make sure I get good pictures.
We can, why don't you get in
Oh,
there?
it didn't go nowhere. Look at the shot he got.
That was a beautiful shot.
It didn't go nowhere.
Dropped him.
High, but
Oh yeah.
Dropped him. We were up too, though.
That's
So
the shot. Well,
wait, it looked closer. It looked like it was closer to the stump.
what a beaut.
Boy, that's a big one.
Send it to the mom. Oh God.
I still can't. That's a big body, ain't it?
Yeah?
Yeah, I see it. Boy, so it must have came right through that opening, and we didn't see it.
I was paying attention there.
Yeah.
It might have come right up these rows, because see how the hill drops down?
Yeah.
Probably came right up those rows where you can't see it, but what do you think, Ashton?
It's pretty big.
It is a pretty nice deer. It's a beauty.
Yeah. Body on it's pretty big.
Probably 150, 160 pounds, I would say. Pretty close.
Yeah.
What a beaut. All right, let's go take care of everything, and we got all day to take care of this.
Got everything?
Let's see it. Oh yeah,
Nice and easy.
he knows he's on camera. Trying to impress all the ladies. You're doing good though.
Very good, man.
I'm impressed. Youth weekend success again. Super pumped. Beautiful, beautiful 7-pointer. And it's early in the morning, so we got all day and we can actually get some good food.